Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming today. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Andi Auliazhari and I will explain the topic about accounting. For the first, what is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording financial transaction pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting this transaction to oversight agencies, regulator, and tax collection entity. The financial statements used in accounting are a concise summary of financial transactions over an accounting period, summarizing a company's operation, financial position, and cash flows. And the second, what is International Financial Reporting Standards, or IFRS? IFRS is a set of international accounting standards setting how particular types of transaction and other events should be reported in the financial statements. IFRS is issued by the International Accounting Standard Board, or IASB. IFRS was established in order to have a common accounting language, so business and accounts can be understood from company to company and from country to country. The third, what are the basic accounting assumptions which cover economic entity, going concern, monetary unit, and accrual base? The first one is the accounting entity concept recognize a specific business enterprise as one accounting entity separate and distinct from the owner, manager, and employee of the business. In other words, it means that a company has its own identity set apart from its owner or anyone else. Personal transaction of the owner, manager, and employee must not be mixed with transaction of the company. The second is going concern. The going concern principle means that a business entity will continue to operate indefinitely or at least for another 12 months. The third is monetary unit. The monetary unit assumption has two characteristics: quantifiability and stability of the currency. Quantifiability means that records should be stated in terms of money, usually in the currency of the country where the financial statements are prepared. And two, stability of dollar, euro, pound, peso, and other. Stable dollar concept means that the purchasing power of the said currency is stable or constant and that any insignificant effect of inflation is ignored. The fourth is accrual base. The accrual method of accounting means that revenue is recognized when earned, regardless of when received, and expenses are recognized when incurred, regardless of when paid. And the fourth question, who are the users of accounting information? The first is managers. Managers need accounting information to plan, monitor, and make business decisions. The second is creditors. Creditors or lenders use the accounting information to find out the ability of the borrower to repay the loan, the number of assets and liabilities of the borrower, evidence of income, economic position, and other, before he or she lend the money to the economic entity. The third is government. Government ensures that a company's disclosure of accounting information is in accordance with the regulations that are in place to protect the interests of various stakeholders who rely on information in forming their decisions. The fourth is public. General public may also be interested in accounting information of a company. These could include journalists, analysts, academic, activists, and individualists with an interest in economic development. The fifth is employee. For the employee operating in the finance department, using accounting information is usually part of their job description. This includes, for example, preparing and review various financial reports such as financial statement. The sixth is customer. Most customers don't care about the financial information of its suppliers, but industrial consumers, however, need accounting information about its suppliers to assess whether they have the required resources that are necessary for a steady supply of goods or service in the future. Continuity in supply of quality inputs is essential for any business. The seventh is shareholders. Shareholders need financial statement to evaluate their equity investments and help them make informed decisions as to how to vote on corporate matters. When evaluating investments, shareholders are able to glean meaningful data that found on financial statements. And the last question, what is financial reporting? Financial reporting is the disclosure of financial results and related information to management and external stakeholders, such as investors, customers, and regulators. And for knowing about how a company is performing over a specific period of time. There are 5 types of financial statement, including income statement, statement of change in equity, statement of financial possession, statement of cash flows, and notes to the financial statements. The conclusion is the accounting information is vital to operate the healthy financial markets. The accounting information should have the relevance, qualitative characteristic of reliability, comparability, and understandability in order to maintain these qualitative characteristic. The production and distribution of accounting information have to be regulated. That's all I have to say about accounting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.